What up, what up, what up? Good morning, good afternoon. What's up, 41 Ticks? What's up, man? Yeah, this is my first live stream, so I want to do more live streaming for y'all. What up, what? Sick. New year, new year. Working on take profit challenges right now. We got some 50Ks going right now, some brand new 50Ks. Tricky price action this morning. We'll see. Dude, this feels weird live streaming. It's kind of cool though. NQ pretty choppy right now. I noticed it's just doing like a rip up, pull back, rip up, pull back, rip up. So, see where it wants to go. Yeah, price action was pretty shitty. It was like really choppy this morning. Very tricky price action, like Wick City too. See if it wants to like break here and continue lower. What's up, Grizz Trades? Hey, what's up, man? How you doing, man? Yeah, I want to do like consistent like live streams for y'all. Today, like, you know, kind of just chill, like hang out, see how it goes. Get used to it. This is my first ever live stream, so hopefully take a few trades for y'all too. We're just working on challenges today. It's 50Ks. Hey, what's up, Mason? Thanks for watching, man. Yeah, I'm gonna be more consistent this year, like really focused this year. Yep. Yeah, 2025 was pretty shitty for me too. It was like very, very rough year, but hey, it's a new year. We learn from it, we move on. It's in the past, can't dwell on it. Yeah, we just gotta be really disciplined, have a set plan and focus. Just let it go. Let's go. We got it. Yeah, Bay Area. Hey, we gotta step it up, bro. A lot of people in my Discord actually are from the Bay Area, which is kind of cool. A few people actually. Hey, what's up, Junior? Yeah, it feels good to go live. I've always been hesitant about going live. I don't know. I just like kind of like a scared feeling. I don't know, like anxiety going live. But hey, we just gotta do it. Gotta be comfortable getting uncomfortable, and just gotta move forward. We got 5 50Ks right now. We got take profit 50K challenges. Just copy trading them right now. They're brand new. We'll see how they go. I haven't took a trade on these accounts yet. Yeah, but pretty tricky price action to start the new year. I haven't traded in 2 weeks. Took a nice blow break. Breaking lower right here. Trying to look for a short entry probably. Oh no, PJ, I lost money. I lost money 2025. That was like just like gross payouts. Same with the 300K. 300K in payouts are just gross payouts, not including like expenses and taxes. So yeah, I lost 2025. 2024, I made a good amount. I made a good amount. Yeah, it was pretty bad. Yeah, the new top step payout rules, they're okay. The ones like where you need to, like, after your second payout, it's annoying. I used to like top step because a lot because of like the one step, one step one rule, but then yeah, they changed a lot, and then they started adding a bunch of rules and then doing like ProjectX and only ProjectX, top step X. Yeah, Orlando, good job, man. Yeah, those MyFundedFutures counts are pretty good. The core counts. It's like pretty cheap, no activation fee. You can copy trade like 550Ks. It's pretty good. But everyone's been talking about like metals and stuff, like silver and gold. Yeah, at the end of the day, accounts are the best. I don't like the trailing. Alright, we're breaking down. We're just making lowers, lower highs right now. On Quantower, I think you need Rithmic connection. Yeah, I think you need a Rithmic connection for that. Yo, what's up, Mad Cal? Yeah, people are trading like gold, silver, I think like YM. Stuff like that. Hey, thank you, Mad Cal. Yeah, this is my first live stream, so thank you for watching. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I won't get the vlogs out again for y'all. Strategy, I do like break and retest, bounce plays, continuation, and then break and retest, breakouts too. Just going with the trend too. Yeah, I do some breakouts sometimes. But breakouts, you need like a lot of momentum, and I notice it's like better in like early in the mornings. Like definitely like around market open.
Order filled.
Alright, take a short right here. First trade of the stream. Looking for a breakout short right here. Just breaking levels down. Don't copy my trade, guys. This is just entertainment purposes only. I'm just working on challenges, having fun, talking, hanging out. Got 13-point stop, roughly. Trading 550K TakeProfitTrader challenges. Yeah, it feels weird going live, but I kind of like it. It's kind of cool. I don't know. I just always been so hesitant to go live. I don't know. I just been like scared and anxiety and stuff. But what I want to see right here, I just want to see a continuation down and break level, because like it's starting to break down like levels down. We need to break this previous low right here, and then I want to. Then we can like continue down to this areas. So that's what we're trying to do. Just trying to get some funded accounts challenges passed, so we can get some funded accounts going. Yeah, I only trade NQ. Sometimes I'll trade like market open, like 6:30 a.m. like PST. I'm on the West Coast, so PST. And then sometimes I'll trade like now. But I'll try to be done. I try to be done by 11. like max. But generally, I just try to stick to like 2 hours worth of trading going. We're up 5 points. Kind of just hesitating right here. I want to see. We need more momentum breaking down to get a bigger push down. Oh, that fishing boat video. I remember that video. That was a good video. That was a good day. Yeah, never quit. Never quit. Just a learning experience. Like last year, horrible year for me. It's just a learning experience. We live and we move on. Can't dwell on it. Learn from our mistakes. Keep moving forward. That's it. That's literally it. That was a good video. I remember making that video that day. It was a nice, hot, sunny day in the summer. That was a good day. Yeah, people are also trading US 30. Yeah, like NASDAQ this morning, like look at this, like, oh man, this is not beginner friendly at all. It's pretty rough. It's like not really moving that quick right now. It's just moving kind of, I don't know. I want to see like a bigger push down. I like this candle close, new 5-minute 9:30 candle. Yeah, be on tomorrow. Yeah, this is my first live stream, so we'll see how it goes. People like it. I was just always so scared to go live, honestly. I was like thinking like last night, like, oh my god, am I gonna go live tomorrow? Am I gonna go live? Oh, this, that. And I was like, I literally said like, fuck it, Casey. You only live once. Life is short. Just go for it, honestly. And here we are. Yeah, Mad Cow. That was an OG video. So yeah, you're an OG, bro. That was like, yeah, well over a year ago, year and a half. Like almost when I started my channel, like shortly after. Yeah, price is just so hesitant right now. We just got a small stop loss, nothing crazy. Well, this move could still work out. We just need more momentum. Nice goals, Asia session. Nice. Yeah, finally going live. So many people have been telling me to go live, like especially last year, and I told you guys I was gonna go live last year. But this year we're gonna make it work. Yeah, Grid Straight. I thought it was gonna move like a lot better because what Trump did over the weekend, but it wasn't that crazy. The price. These candles were big though. I was watching this live. These candles were pretty big, but they were like wicking really hard, and they would make a move and then come back like aggressively back. All right, we're up 10 points right now. Just liking this close right now. See a continuation down. Yeah, thank you guys for enjoying it. Yeah, that's what I want. I want you guys to enjoy it. We can all hang out, get community going, trade live. I'm gonna try to trade live like very, very consistently. Hopefully, like a set schedule every day. So I'm not sure when that time will be where I want to like consistently start at like a specific time every day, like Monday through Friday, and then yeah, go from there. Yeah, Discord is a link in the description. Free Discord. Beyond Tower, thank you for watching, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, let's go. These accounts, you need to trade 5 days, but you can flip. But it's a 50% consistency. So on these accounts, I can only make like 1,500. Yeah, we got like 550Ks going. We're just copy trading them right now. We got 1 mini on NQ right now. I've been in this trade for a minute. But it's just like lack of volume right now. I still like the setup. Yeah, I never traded YM, but people's been saying they've been trading it. I've only experimented with NQ and like ES last year or two, but I've like only like stuck to NQ. But I kind of want to try something else, cause like lately the price action hasn't been the best. NQ is like a love-hate relationship. Dude, I should have alerted Discord actually that I'm live. Yeah, I gotta put it in the Discord. People don't know. In my first live stream. Yeah, we're just chilling right now, like 7 points, just moving very slow. Join. Yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord, free Discord, just like small community. We're at like 930, around 930 members. It's pretty good. We're growing it. We're gonna get to 1,000 soon. Careful for a bounce right here, but we could see a break if it keeps continuing lower. I like this close though, making lower highs. Hey, thanks for joining the Discord, Orlando. Yeah, this is acting funny. Yeah, Macau, like, honestly, like, when I was, like, trading, like, so many accounts, it's okay, but then I literally just kept focusing on the payout, and, like, literally just focusing on the P&L, and I'm like, oh, if I make this amount, oh, I just kept focusing on that, rather than, like, actual good trading, and, like, being disciplined, and just, like, taking good setups. That's literally it. Yeah, Edward, we're short right now. Yeah, those MyFundedFutures expert accounts last year, the pro accounts are basically like the same thing, but you could have 550Ks now. I had 350Ks, and yeah, you could literally do really well and get like a ton of payouts on them. Yeah, I got like over 100K on that MyFundedFutures. Right now, Edward, I'm back with MyFundedFutures, which is nice. Right now we're just trading take profit challenges. We're trying to get them past the brand new accounts. Tradeify and Lucid now. We're with Lucid. We got some accounts with them. They're brand new. We're gonna probably trade them soon. Just literally just repeating the same mistakes over and over, expecting like different results. It's like that insanity thing, like where you constantly do the same thing over and over and over, expecting different results, but it just ends up to be the same result. I just kept focusing on the P&L. I was overtrading a lot. A lot, which is horrible. I think that was my number one big flaw too. I was overtrading a lot. Like, I'd have like really good days where I'm like, damn, I'm up like a good amount on like 1 to 2 trades. Then I'm like, because this is my job, right? Like, I'm literally just bored sitting at the computer all day. And then I'm like, oh, I have like the worker's mind, like, oh, let me take another trade, let me make some more or something. And then I ended up losing that amount, going on till, over trading, revenge trading. It was just like a bad mess. Yeah, honestly, like, focusing on the result does not end well. Because you're just like, you're not thinking correctly. Like, you're in like an emotional state, and you're just constantly thinking like what you could do with that money. Like, oh, if I have these 20 accounts, get like a 50 grand payout. Oh, I could buy this, I could do that. Oh, and then it's like, You're not thinking right. You should be like thinking like, oh, follow my rules, follow my system, don't focus on the P&L. Whatever happens, happens. I'm just gonna follow my plan. And if you followed your plan, you still took a loss, that's a win. It was hard for me to accept a loss. If I took a loss, even though I followed my plan, I was still annoyed. But I'm like, it's part of trading. Even if you have like a 70% win rate, 30% of your trades are gonna lose, right? So that's literally, in order to get that 70% win rate, you need to lose 30% of the time. And the 70% win rate is amazing, you know? So you just gotta accept the loss. It's part of the game. Yeah, man, those straight to fund accounts, they're nice. They're just expensive, and then I just don't like the 20% consistency rule. I noticed, like, with my trading, the 20% is, like, not the best for me. But if you could, like, trade, like, discipline, like, base hits, the straight to funded is pretty good because you could skip that. Orin, yeah, I'm half Filipino. I'm half Filipino, quarter white, and a quarter Puerto Rican. I'm, like, really mixed. Like, if you see my family, it's, like, really mixed. Like, there's a lot of white, Hispanic, and Asian. And I remember, like, going to, like a family party, and there's, like, me, Asian, my dad's, like, completely white. My dad's, like, blonde with green eyes. My mom's, like, a short Filipino, like, fully Filipino. And then we were at, like, a party one time, and then some guy was like, so, what's the relation here? Like, what's going on? Like, how do you guys know each other? And we all started laughing, because, like, my family's, like, really mixed. Yeah, half Filipino. Hey, watching from Germany. I do have a little German in my blood, actually. My grandpa's side. Yeah, NQ. Lately I've been trading, like, market open, and then, like, to, like, 10 o'clock usually PST. I try to be done by, like, 11. It depends. Like, I try to trade for, like, 2 to 3 hours max, and then be, like, done. Try to walk away. Yeah, good hobbies are very important to do. I've been getting back into fishing. Hey guys, I got a fishing channel. I haven't posted in a while, but I got a fishing channel. So if you guys like fishing or like bass fishing, it's in the link in the description. It should be there. It should like a link to my fishing channel. I like this reject right here. It's like rejecting right off here. But this trade is being a little hesitant right now. Fishing, I've been lifting weights more and then going on walks, which is nice. I notice when I work out, I feel a lot better. Like, after the workout, I feel, like, so much better. And also, like, good hobbies, like, if I do, like, the live stream and, like, create a community, talk to people. Because, like, trading is, like, very lonely. It's, like, a very lonely thing, like, especially when you're trading by yourself. Because I'm literally just in my room, wake up, you know, sweatpants, get coffee, and then I'm, like, I'm just by myself. You know, I got my cats, which is awesome, but, you know, I'm not going to be talking to my cats, you know, like that. So this is nice that it's like a, you know, talking live with you guys. This is actually really nice. Yeah, it happens. Grid trades. A lot of people had like a great year, 2024, and then a lot of people struggled 2025. The market has changed a lot, and then I got wrecked with like those tariffs at the beginning. Like the market was so volatile. I think we were having like 100-point candles on the 5-minute, which is crazy. It is difficult if nothing about it, but you just it's hard, but you just gotta focus on the trade, like the setup, like what's happening on the charts, right? Like I actually been in this trade for a while. Holy crap! But right now I can still see this trade work, rejecting right off here, stop just above it just in case. And then, I mean, we could see a continuation lower if it wants to. Just lack of volume right now. Yeah, Madka, I was doing the same exact thing. I was thinking, like, oh, if I obey by this consistency rule, I can make this much in a day. And I was always trying to hit that certain amount. Like let's say a prop firm had, like, a 30% consistency rule. Like, oh, the max I can make today is, like, $1,200. And I kept aiming for, like, $1,200, $1,200, $1,200. Then it was like, if I make 800, I wasn't happy. I was getting like greedy. I was upset. I was like, no, I gotta make 1,200. Then I would take more trades, then end up losing. And I'm like, damn, if I just walked away up 800, it would have been so much better. Yeah, Chicken Adobo is really good. You got also Sisig. CSIG is my favorite. I love CSIG. Lumpia, Pancit. Yeah, Tradeify and Lucid are doing a lot. They're pretty good right now, and they have Tradovate, which I like. I personally don't like ProjectX with all the glitches and stuff. I never really traded on there, so it seems like an okay platform. But other than but if it didn't glitch, that'd be a lot better. We're up 10 points. Trade's moving pretty slow, but hopefully the volume can start picking back up. If it doesn't make a move, we might just get out. Small win. Yeah, a lot of white people are with Asians. It's like a very common thing. Yeah, my dad is like a 5'10", 5'11", blonde, green eyes. And then like people see each other with us, and they're like, "Oh, that's your son?" We have the same hair, which is funny. We have the same exact hair. Yeah, join the Discord. Yeah, we can just talk. It'd be nice. Get the community going, to chat with other members. Grow it one day at a time. Alright, we're hesitating a lot right here. I might just get a... Yeah, we're just going to
Order filled.
Right, small win. 6 points. It was just hesitating a lot right here. And then it just looks like it's going to come back near our entry. We can get a better entry right here. Like take a short right here if we want to. But just doing a lot of hesitation right here. And we need more volume and stuff. So we're just good luck in a small win. Yeah, because like the hobby thing. Like I wanted to document the fishing thing. Yeah, I got a fishing channel. So it's just a small channel, just for fun, nothing serious. Yeah, I love bass fishing. Yeah, Smitty, it's very important to have like a group of people that like, yeah, puts you in check and like, hey, like, today's not your day, just walk away. Yeah, when it slows down in range and just slow, choppy price action, it's very difficult to trade. It's definitely not beginner friendly, or even advanced friendly. It's just hard to trade. Yeah, Sinigon's pretty good. Yeah, we can just full pour right here. We're just gonna full pour all in. Discord. Let's start trading volume. Yeah, a lot of people have been switching to like volume profile and like that thing, and just like trading out volume and like levels. I want to get into that actually, because it makes sense. Because like literally, it's like an auction, right? There's more buyer than sellers, like that. You have a general idea of where the price could potentially go. My mom's in like Bulacan. I haven't been there in like 15 years. Yeah, I haven't been to the Philippines in a very long time. Yeah, when I was 10 years old. Yeah, 10 years old. Top Step, yeah, I'll probably get some accounts with them. I'm just worried about the ProjectX, but they are still a good firm. I'm not gonna discredit them on that. But lately, the customer support and like the issues with their platform is like no bueno, and they're adding more rules. So, but they still do Payout, and you can have 5 accounts and stuff. So you just gotta be careful. But right now, I'm just focusing on like TakeProfitTrader, Tradeify, MyFundedFutures, and Lucid right now. Because you can still have 5 accounts with them too, and then they have Tradovate, which is nice.
Order filled.
Gonna take a short right here. You can see another reject right here. Put stop right here, 14 points. I want to see price come back down here, then potentially reject, but I'm just worried that it's might bounce and then just continue back to the highs today. That's what I'm just worried about. Yeah, I've actually wanted to go to Florida for a very long time because like you can go fishing like anywhere there. You could go in like literally just a pond, a mall parking lot in the back of like canals and streams. They got like peacock bass, a bunch of saltwater, largemouth, a bunch of cichlids, those cichlid fish, like the Oscars. People release them in the things in the canals, and then the fish start breeding and stuff. I always wanted to go fishing there. The saltwater is pretty crazy. Volume profile? Yeah, I gotta check it out, honestly. Alright, getting a little momentum right here. Seeing a reject. Yeah, I'm just looking for a reject off this level. We're up 5 points. Just chilling right now. Yeah, California. Yeah, I made like 105,000 with MyFundedFutures. I had 350K expert accounts. The expert accounts now they basically switch it to the pro accounts. So the pro accounts are nice. You have 550K now, and then it's like, what's it called? It's just like you gotta wait 14 days, so you don't have to trade as much. That's what I liked about the expert accounts, cause like, and they don't have a consistency rule in the funded. So like you could have like a big day and just trade like once a week, and then you can lock in a payout. That's what I really like. My levels, I just do. Honestly, I just trade the 5 minute most of the time. Sometimes I look at the hour or 4 hour, but most of the time I just trade like price action and levels. I'm just looking at consistency basically, like where's price like consistently bouncing or touching off of. Like see, like it touched here like 3 times over here, tapped here a few times. So this is a bottom level, and then I know that it could potentially bounce right here and then come back to our entry. That's why we're taking a short right here. And look, same thing here. Here's my level right here. See how it's like rejected off a lot. Just like consistently where it's tapping and touching, and then like, hey, if it breaks above here and continues up, I can know like, hey, maybe it's gonna continue going up. Then right now I want it to go short, and I want it to break this, but we could see another bounce, but still it's like a nice 20-point play, so we could lock it in quick. But if it breaks and continues lower, like look at this, like this is a nice like 40-50 points right here extra. If it breaks, you know, that's a nice like gap right here. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to short right here, break this previous low, and then come back to like this area. All right, nice. We're up 15 points. We're gonna move our stop loss to a break even. I gotta be very careful because it might bounce right here. That's what I want to be worried about. So we might get out soon. Because like it bounced here like 4 or 5 times already. But if it breaks and continues lower, which is what we want, that's another like 30-50 points right there. Alright, we're going to see right here. Gotta be careful. Starting to bounce a little. But this is a risk-free trade. Risk-free. I love risk-free trades.
Order filled.
Yeah, small 10-point win right there. Could have got locked into 15 points extra, like 5 points extra, but it's all good. Look, see how it's coming right back to our entry? It's just doing like funny business right now. It's just rejecting off here, bouncing off here. So that would have been a nice full exit right there, but we locked in small points. 2 small winning plays, nothing crazy. No, I don't know Bong Bong Marcos, no. Crypto City, you gotta try to sisig and stuff. And then like they have like languinisa and eggs and rice. It's pretty fire. Yeah, I haven't had languinisa and rice and eggs in a while. How do you put your levels in? Just go to the line chart, drawing tools, horizontal line, and then you can like mark them like that. And then if you want, you can like change your colors and label them or whatever. Managed risk is like how much I'm risking like per trade, and then how much I'm looking for. Like right here, like if I'm looking to, for example, like a nice short right here. If I short right here, have a 10-point stop loss or so. I'm looking to make like 20. That's a nice 1 to 2 RR. I usually do off points for an NQ. Yeah, basically like level and just like price action. I only trade a 5-minute one day. Just like consistently, and then like looking at what it's doing, like how it's reacting. Like right now it's just doing funny stuff right here, just like projecting off here, bouncing off here. It's a small range, so it's not really crazy to trade, honestly. It's like 20 points, but it's just moving pretty slow right now. But right now I want to see like a break in either direction, and then we could see where it's going, because right now it's just chipping at a wall basically, right? It's just like hitting a wall, like, and then like on that one big strike or whatever, it's gonna break out into a direction. But right now it's just doing like funny stuff right here. Hey, thank you, Jam Pacer. Yep. Yeah, it feels good to go live. I actually like it. Nice talking to everyone right here. Yeah, Seasick fries are really good. I like that. Seasick fries. Senior Seasick. If you guys try Senior Seasick in the Bay Area, they're pretty good. They have like a Seasick burrito with like French fries in it. It's pretty fire. It's really good. Yeah, Christopher, I plan on doing these like more often. This is my first live stream. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this. It's nice going live for y'all. Damien, it's just like I just do like basic like strats. It's just nothing crazy, like break and retest, bounce plays, breakouts, and then just like continuation, going with the trend. Okay, right now it's making a higher low right here, so we could watch for a breakout. But I'm not gonna take a breakout. The volume's too low. We need more volume to do a breakout. Yeah, and like foreign countries, yeah, the water, if you're not used to it, you could get pretty sick. I went on a cruise like years ago in like Mexico, and I had a sandwich they made on a fishing boat. Yeah, it was not fun. The bathroom was there. It was not fun. Yeah, I want to do live every day. I want to try and like make a consistent time and schedule, like Monday through Friday or something. Like a set time where I start every day, and then just like trade from there. That's the plan. I want to do that. That's why I wanted to start the new year like strong, like be very consistent with the channel and posting for you guys, and get more videos out, like the main YouTube videos as well, like part of vlogs and stuff. Yeah, Jollibee. Korean fried chicken's pretty good too. Jollibee's really good. The gravy's good. The spaghetti's very interesting. You either hate it or love it. I kind of like it. It's like a sweeter spaghetti at Jollibee, and they have like, I think they have carrots or something in it. It's like a sweet spaghetti. It's basically like a Filipino KFC, basically. Jollibee. It's pretty good. Yeah, Macca, like, yeah, people have like these like super fancy strategies, like oh, I got a fair value gap correlating with the silver bullet when the planets align, and there's a full moon as well. It's like there's so much going on. It's like just like simple strategies also work. I think like risk management, trade management, and emotional management is like far greater than like a strategy. because you could have the best strategy in the world, have the best entry, but if you give that to two different traders, like if you give a trader like the same exact entry, same strategy, everything, one trader will make a lot more than the other trader, like completely. It's just how it is. It's how you manage your risk, control the trade, and how you are like emotionally. Nah, crypto student, you just gotta get used to it. Honestly, if you're not there often, you're gonna feel it. Excuse me. Yeah, Perdia. I thought about them. They're the best if you want to get like a live account, and I think also like Trade Day something. Yeah, but Perdia, I think they pay out with like a live account or something. All right, we're either gonna see another reject right here, or like a breakout, and then just continue to these like levels up higher, making like a staircase pattern right here. But we shall see. About the new prop. Balut? I never tried Balut. They tried tricking me in the Philippines. I knew what it was, and they said, "Oh, it's just an egg," and I knew damn well it was not just an egg. It was damn Balut. I never ate a Balut. I've been offered it numerous times, but I haven't had it. I got shot down. Yeah, O3M. Yeah, it's just pretty choppy price action. Honestly, it's not the best. Like look at this. It's very slow. Very, very, very slow. All right, we got the 10 o'clock candle going. New hour candle. Yeah, I think risk management and all that like matters far more than like a strategy, honestly. Yeah, if it's a full moon correlating with the index and everything, and then when the planets align, then we could take the trade. Yeah, you can literally have the same exact entry, same strategy, same everything. Two traders will have completely different results. One will probably lose, one will probably have a win, one might be break even. Webcam is the YOLO Live S3. I got it for Christmas. So shout out to the fam. Cause my old webcam, it was okay, but I'll be honest, it's just like a cheap one from Amazon. It's a great starter one. I'm not complaining. But like I'm like, if I wanted to live stream and be consistent with YouTube, do trade recaps, like yeah, this camera's pretty nice. I think it was like $200. Live clock, yeah, I'll probably add that. Yeah, this is the first stream, just testing it out. Oh shit, yeah, I'm right here. Oh, under the disclaimer, yeah, here's the time. Yeah, I'll add a clock in the next stream. Yeah, Oren, you just gotta know when to walk away. Like, this is not good price action, honestly. This is pretty shitty, I'm not lying. This is like really shitty. A lot of people will get chopped up in this. Chopped up, faked out, everything. And see, it's making a lower high right now, so we might see a break. It's just moving so slow right now. Yeah, this is moving really slow. Okay, we could see maybe a break here, but I'm not going to take a trade right here, honestly. It's just hesitating and moving really slow. Yeah, guys, comment down below what time you guys want me to start or something. Like, we could probably start at a specific time every day, like maybe 8 a.m. PST or 9 a.m. or something, or earlier, like 7:30. Damien, I stopped trading the EMAs. I used to trade the EMAs like 2024 and last year, but recently, like the last few months, I took them off. Long story short, the guy I learned them from was basically a fraud scammer, and he was just making up a bunch of crap, and I was like, what the heck? And some guy like called him out on it, and I was like, oh shit. I'm like, he's right. Pre-market, yeah, I was thinking maybe around that, like 6:15 start time, maybe PST. I'm not gonna say names, but he is a big guy. It's kind of sad though. That's why I mainly started this channel. Is because like if I could do it, so could you. Like there's so many like frauds and scammers that don't show you everything, and then they just like claim that they're like this like super profitable, highly intelligent trader, and they want you to buy their course, and they have like a super nice car and everything. It's just it's a very sad like industry with that part. That's why I started this channel. Like I'm literally just a normal dude. Like if I could do it, so could you. That's literally why I started this channel. Document the journey. Like I'm not gonna fake payouts and be like, oh, I made $700,000 in payouts last year, 2025. It's like, hell no, I never came close to that. Yeah, we're up 15 points on the day. Nothing crazy. It's just so slow. No, not him. Not him. Yeah, but they just make it like portray like such a lifestyle that's like it's like unrealistic. Like if you're not 25 years old with a Lamborghini and a mansion, making $100,000 a day, it's like social media like completely skewed the like, perception of trading in life. Oh, that was a big push down. Yeah, see what I was talking about. In this slow, choppy range, yeah, we've been in this range for like 45 minutes, long time. It's just chipping at a wall each time. Down here chipping, and then ideally you want to look for a break into either direction, see where our price wants to go. Right now it looks like it wants to fall short still. Yeah, I never had a trading bot, but I know some people that like pushed a trading bot, and then trading bot did like absolute shit. People lost like thousands. Hey, what up, Tommy? Hey, thanks for joining the live. Appreciate all your comments, Tommy. I see you. I appreciate you. Yeah, we're not gonna say names, y'all. We're not gonna say names. Yeah, I pretty much only use Tradovate. Like, this is literally my trading screen. I will look at, like, NVIDIA sometimes, because NVIDIA is, like, a big part of NASDAQ, and see where our price wants to go. Like, NVIDIA is, like, pretty sold off a lot today. And then I also, like, have, like, another chart, just, like, looking at the overall look of NQ, like, their overall look. Alright, now we're seeing a bigger push down. We'll try to get another trade in for y'all or something. Yeah, we're getting a bigger push down. See why I say, like, just chipping out a wall, waiting for a direction. Now we're pushing back shorter and fell into this range right now. So we could see a lower tap right here around this area now. Yeah, first trading day of the year. Haven't traded in 2 weeks. First live stream. Thank you all for joining. Really appreciate y'all. Maybe I break and retest, maybe. Manage risk. I just do like basically like points. Like I'm looking at like a trade. Like let's say for example like right here, 30 points. I mean 31 right here. I'm risking like 10 points, maybe 15 points. Now I'm looking to make like 20 to 30 points or something like that. I do off by like points. Like if I have a 15 point stop loss, ideally I would want to make like minimum around 30. This would have been a nice short entry, but it's not fun really trading in this chop. It's kind of risky. Yeah, I appreciate that, crypto student. Yeah, I don't want to like force a lot of trades just to like, and then like promote like over trading and all that. We're small green on the year. Yeah, that's not bad on these challenge accounts. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, a lot of time trading is just like sitting on your hands, honestly. My setup, like the last two trades today, they're very small winners. I'll gladly take it. We just took shorts right here. Overall trend was falling down, breaking levels down, and forming new lows, and then it rejected off here like numerous times. See how like rejected off this level right here numerous times. Just take a short right here. I think the first short was right here, small win, and then like another small win right here. But yeah, it's just choppy range. Yeah, I've been hitting the gym and sauna. I was on a 100-day streak, and then I got the flu last week, and I'm literally just off it right now. I literally stopped the flu like a couple of days ago, and then I'm hitting the gym 6 days a week, like push-pull legs, like lifting weights, and then I get 10,000 steps a day. So I try to get like 2 walks a day, but I get 10,000 steps a day, and then like lifting weights, and then like 2 or 3 days a week I'll do the sauna. I have like a small infrared sauna. It's small. It's nice because I can like listen to music in it. It's in the garage, and I can also like listen to podcasts. It's a small sauna, infrared sauna. It only gets to 145 degrees though, but it's pretty nice. Yeah, it happened, man. Like today's price action was very, very tricky on NQ, especially in this morning right here. Very tricky. So you just gotta accept it and like move on from it. Yeah, I thought about doing a meet and greet or something. Maybe when like the channel gets bigger and there's people, like more people that would want to join or something. That'd be cool to do a meet and greet. Because a lot of people on my channel and Discord, like they're from the Bay Area, which is pretty cool. IRL live stream? Nah, it's crazy. Still like shorts. Still like the idea of shorts. A nice entry would maybe be around here or so. But it's just so slow right now. Yeah, confused. I remember like on my old videos, my candles were so freaking tiny. It literally looked like I was trading Asia session. I honestly don't know how I was trading that, honestly. Yeah, but we made it nice and clear for y'all. And it's clear for me. I can see it clear. Hey, nice Romeo. Yeah, the city's pretty cool. I lived in San Francisco for like 18 years, then I moved out into another Bay Area part. Alright, we're still pushing short. Bro, there's been some damn flooding in the Bay Area. You guys see that in like Marin County? There's like some like flooding and shit, like in the streets, like king tides. I don't know if it was AI, but there's like a photo of like a leopard shark in the streets and people kayaking. I'm like, shit, I got a kayak, go fishing there or something. Yeah, crypto's cheating. The price action's very, very tough today. Very, very annoying. And glad I inspired you, Confused. Thank you. Dude, that's pretty good. That's really good. 120K in profits? That's like really, really good. Dude, you can make 6 figures a year from this? This is like, that's like a dream, bro. 6 figures a year plus profit? Yeah, Damien, it's okay. It happens, man. It's all good. Losing is part of the game. Hey, what's up, Oki? Thanks for joining. Yeah, I expect it to be a little choppy today, honestly, because, yeah, we have a lot of news this week, I think. Let me check. Yeah, we have NFP on Friday. Then we have, I think, news on Wednesday. Yeah, we got news on Wednesday, and then just unemployment claims on Thursday. Then, yeah, NFP on Friday. Guys, Forex Factory, check that if you want to check news. If you guys didn't know that, Forex Factory. Yeah, generally when there's like news like upcoming in the week, usually the following days are usually not all the time. What's it called? Choppy. Hey, at least you hit the buffer, Damien, because like now the trailing drawdown stops, so that does help you. But if you're down 600, you still got 1400 to work with. That's still good. You could definitely save them. Okay, now we're getting some aggressive sell-off right here. If we see a break right here, we can see a continuation down, or it might bounce right here, so just be careful. They deleted your accounts? The fuck? No, I'd be pretty pissed if they deleted my accounts. Damien, it's okay, man. Just take it slow, manage your risk. Take an A+ setup. That's how you do it when you have like low drawdown. I've saved funded accounts at my lowest one. I saved at like $150. Like, I literally had $150 left, and I literally saved it, and I got it to Payout, which is pretty crazy. was a big Hail Mary. Alright, we're breaking down lower. See what it wants to do. Yeah, okay, they should... I don't know why they would delete your accounts. They should like give you a resolution or something. I don't know why they would delete your accounts. They shouldn't delete them. Internet Explorer, what up? Understand Tradeify? Yeah. Yeah, if you want to, ask questions. Yeah, when you have low drawdown, yeah, either micros or just an A+ setup with like a mini or something on NQ or something. Because you could get 2 or 3 trades out of that with $600 drawdown on NQ. Hey, 41 ticks. That's going to be fun, man. FIFA World Cup. That's going to be freaking sick. It's making lower candles down. We're going to see a bigger push down. Tradeify dashboard should update at the end of day. It should, yeah, it should update. Mine updates like end of day, like I think like 2 or 3 hours after market close. Micro scalping. The micro scalping, I'm not sure for Tradeify. You can look it up in their the help center. I'm not sure if they have one. I'm not sure. You got to double check that for me. Yeah, you can trade 3 micros. Yeah, you are definitely clinching when you have $100 in drawdown. Cause like you're like, I do not want to blow this account. I do not want to go in the challenge again. No, I've been there. I'm literally just like this, like glued on the screen, like clinching and shit. Funded next, I haven't had a whole lot of experience with yet, so I can't really speak on them, but I thought about trying them, but I'm just focusing on the 4 right now. I'll probably get like accounts with them soon, maybe if I do good with these accounts or something. Right now I want to take it like slower, like get these accounts going, get some payouts, and then like scale from there or something. Okay, they have one on the select. Yeah, they probably, yeah. Okay, if they have a micro scalping, yeah, it's most likely on the funded and maybe on the challenge too, but it's probably for sure on funded because that's where they take it more serious. No, I don't use Fibonacci, Bollinger, or VWAP. Right now, I'm just trading straight price action and levels, honestly. Hey, what happened to TakeProfitTrader? They were like an OG one, but something happened or something. I don't know what happened. Funding ticks, yeah. That rule was complete bullcrap. Retroactively too, it was bad. Yeah, FundedFutures, I haven't had a whole lot of experience with that. I haven't really traded with them. So I can't really speak on them. Hey, thank you, Stars. Appreciate it. Yeah, you gotta be transparent. Like, that's literally why I started this channel. I realized that's why I'm like, why am I fretting when I'm like losing, right? Trading, you're gonna lose, and it's part of the game. And then you just talk about it. Not a lot of people talk about it, which is unfortunate. And a lot of people, like, they go through losing streaks, and these bigger traders, they never talk about it. They don't show it. They don't show their losing trades. They just show like the big wins. Okay, it's on both. Yeah, the microscoping is on both. Okay. All right, we're seeing a bounce right here, so either it's gonna make a lower high and come back down, or we're gonna see like a reversal right here. But it made a lower high right here, so it might be a reversal. Yeah, money flow issue. Yeah, that's what happens with a lot of these firms when they like retroactively change rules or deny a bunch of payouts randomly. Like, they just want to avoid paying like a big amount. All right, right here, we could see a reject right here off this level, or it's gonna break and continue option for the high of the day. And it looks like it's gonna break. It looks like buyers are stepping in. Look, okay, yeah, I heard that with the live account. They had like, I think you had to show your bank statements and shit too, which is like, why? I could do that, but with Apex, I only like, my personal opinion, they're only worth it if you're copy trading like 10 to 20 accounts minimum. If you're only doing like 5, like I'd much rather get like 5 Take Profit or 5 MyFundedFutures or, 5 Tradeify or something like that, because there's less rules, end of day drawdown. The good thing about Apex is that they're cheaper, but they have a lot of rules, trailing drawdown, 30% consistency. So with Apex, it's like, in my opinion, it's only good if you're like, especially like 20 accounts, because you can have, that's the key right there, the leverage. You could have 20 funded accounts, which is absurd, and you could get like a big payout. But it's like, if you're only trading like 5 accounts, in my opinion, I'd rather trade like Take Profit or some other firm. It's clickbait, yeah, it is pretty clickbait. It's not realistic. I haven't traded gold yet, no. Yeah, 2024, I was a very aggressive trader. I was trading very aggressively. I was trading like big size on the 50K accounts. I was trading like 3 to 5 minis sometimes, which is freaking crazy. But it worked. I mean, I got some big payouts with them. Yeah, I can maybe make some videos about the copy trading. Or if you have any questions, you can comment them right now in the chat. Oh, market's playing games right now, honestly. Yeah, those are 3 good firms. MyFundedFutures, Lucid, TakeProfitTrader, Tradeify. They're all legit. Yeah, the only way I would go with like Apex is like if you're gonna trade like 10 accounts minimum, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Especially like 20 accounts, because like it just makes sense because like you can leverage it and get like a big payout. But like if you're only trading like less than 5 accounts, like I'd much rather go to other firms. Less rules, end of day drawdown. Some have like no consistency into funded, which is great. Yeah, okay, you could still get a big payout. Like, not hating on that, but it's like, I feel like there's just better firms if you're trading a smaller amount of accounts. Yeah, if you're like really disciplined, like, and you just follow the rules, like Apex 20 accounts is like, it's crazy. It's like a 50K account, 50K accounts, you can get a 40 grand payout, 40 grand. It's a lot of money. And if they have like a 90% off sale, it's like, you can get accounts for like $20. It's like crazy. Took live account from 1K to 7K and up. Malik, it's just like a discipline, like risk management issue, bro. It's like if you blow up 17K in a day, like I've done it before, like the live account, but it's a discipline risk management problem that you need to work on. Like have a daily loss limit or a set max amount of trades that you're allowed in the day, and then maybe trade a smaller size as well. It just works for like whatever works for you. Yeah, prop firms are nice because you can get, okay, we can see maybe a breakout right here or a reject. Okay, it looks like it's breaking out. But prop firms, what I like about them is like whatever you pay for the account, that's your max loss. Like if you have a live account, you could lose more with like the margin and stuff, which is no bueno. And if you lose that, like if you lose $1,000 in a day on the live account, that's a real $1,000 loss. Not a lot of people can like stomach that, right? But it's like if I buy right here, TakeProfitTrader, 50K account for $100, $102, whatever, after the discount, no activation fee, like that's my max loss. Like, oh, if I blow it, I lost $100. And then right here, it's like I'm copy trading 5, so it's like if I blow this group, my max loss is like $510. It sucks, it's annoying, but I'm gonna survive and be okay, you know. All right,
Order filled.
We're gonna take a breakout long right here. Breaking the levels up, staircasing up. We're going to have a tighter stop, just like 10 points. Staircasing up, looks like it's making a reversal. Potentially tap these levels up here maybe. Just going to do like a, yeah, tight stop loss. Might hit it right here. I personally haven't seen anyone live with Apex. I've heard they offered it to big people with like big account balances, but I've personally never seen anyone live with them. But they say they are, but who knows? I don't know. I don't talk to them or anything. I don't talk to like the firms and stuff. Yeah, I think you do. Apex still does the recording thing. Like I heard people recently still doing the recording thing, but yeah, but they've been doing that for like over a year now, I think. All right, working nice. We're up 4 points. Reversal right here, staircasing up. See, like this is a continuation like breakout right here. See, breaking this level up, like this staircasing pattern. Tight stop loss, 10 points. Yeah, but I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like the Apex, the $20 accounts, 90% off. It's really cheap. But then you pay like I don't know if it's like $85 or $125. Yeah, but I recommend just guys, like, if you're like just starting out, like, just start with one firm, get good with it, and then you can go from there. That's how you grow. Yeah, if you get payouts, do good with one firm, then yeah, go to another firm. Why not copy trade if you want to? We could just do like the one thing I was doing, like switching from firm to firm. Yeah, it is pretty wild, Oki. That's why it's like not a lot of people like him because of all the rules and hassle they have to do to get a payout. But with Apex, it's literally a love or hate relationship. You either love the company or you hate it. There's like no in between. But like I said, in my opinion, it's only worth it if you're trading 10 plus accounts minimum with them. That's like my opinion. Yeah, Malik, I had a over trading problem too. I'm still working on it. I'm not perfect. I still struggle with it. It's hard, but you just gotta have the discipline to walk away. Like if you're up like on London session, like yeah, just don't trade New York. Why not? You're up 590. That's a good amount. Just lock it in. Hey, thank you, Crypto Student. Appreciate you joining in for the first stream. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Uh, 2300K Apex accounts. The 300Ks, they're just hard to pass, and then you only have like 7.5K to draw down, and you gotta make like I think 20 grand to pass, which is pretty hard trailing. It doesn't stop the trailing. The trailing follows you in the challenge forever until you hit the profit. So it's just pretty hard. The balance you have to work with, and then your profit target. It's not really friendly. It's definitely more advanced. Like a more beginner one is like the 50K account or something. Yeah, it might reject right here or might continuation up. Yeah, people, even that internet, that happened true to me too. Like, $500 a day, that's like a really good high-paying job. That's literally like a high-end electrician getting paid like a ton per hour. Per day. Like, $500 is a lot. Might get stopped out right here.
Stop filled.
Stopped out right here. Not the best entry. Good thing we had to stop right there. Look at that rip down. We had a tight stop, 10 points. Nothing crazy. Looking for a continuation, like a reversal right here, but it looks like it's just rejecting and coming back down. Hey, what's up, Eli? These are evals right now. We're working on take profit challenges. Okay, it's like random with the checks. Like they might not even ask you to send you a recording, but it's like random. Like you never know if they're gonna do it. So that's why it's important just to like if you're gonna trade with them, probably just like record every trade just to be safe. Malik, MyFundedFutures, TakeProfitTrader, Tradeify, and Lucid. If you want 10 accounts, you could get like 5 with like 2 firms or something. That'd be pretty good. Honestly, yeah, those are pretty good firms. You can get 5 accounts each. With MyFundedFutures, you can only get 5 with the 50Ks. You can't get 5 of the bigger accounts. Yeah, the consistency rules in the funded, it's hard, but like, especially like at 20-30%, it's just really hard because like you can't really have your winners running, especially Apex because like there's trailing drawdown as well. So until you clear that, it's gonna be like really, really hard. Damn, it's coming back right over. It just bounced right off this. The levels, it's just like just what I'm like seeing right now. Just like levels like consistently bouncing off of and playing off of. MSP. Who'd you buy an account with? RB trades. We're just full on gambling right now. We're just going all in randomly. Nah, I'm just kidding. Now we're just taking good setups. Took 3 trades so far today. Just barely green, basically break even, honestly. 2 small wins and a loss. I think they have a support. I'm not sure. Maybe try like connecting in the email. Cause you need. I know with Rithmic, when you first buy an account with a prop firm, you need a. What's it called? You need to sign some stuff. Yeah, Damien, you can get some big payouts with them. Yeah, I mean, on the Apex, they let you gamble on the challenges. Like, they don't care on the challenges. They literally have the 1 day pass, and people just like, yeah, they'll full port it, just like let it rip. ICT trader, I want to get a live account again, but I'm definitely not ready for it yet. I need to get some payouts first with prop firms. And then I have some money to work with, you know. Yeah, $500 a day is like really good money. People, it's like that's a good paying job. That's a really good paying job. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is good. They have like 3 different plans right now. My beard, I get very bored with my facial hair. Like, I'll grow a beard, or I'll shave it, or I'll just have a mustache. But I think this one, like, I don't know, 3-4 months or something. Yeah, investors, they like discipline base hit trading. They don't like people gambling and full porting on defunded accounts. They really don't like that. No, I don't collect Pokemon cards. Hey, what's up, Jasmine? Thanks for joining in. Yeah, I sometimes used to stop trade without a stop loss, which is pretty bad. But we're changing right now. I just do simple strategies, but I'm not going in randomly, you know. I'm playing off levels and stuff. Yeah, I plan on doing lives like consistently. I want to find like a set time where I go like live every day at that specific time. But yeah, I want to be like very consistent, like Monday through Friday for y'all. I mean, the ICT trader is just like, it's like a risk to reward perspective, especially if you're just starting out. Like, if you have like 10 grand to work with prop firms, you can get like 50, 100 accounts, probably more, and then you can like trade them in groups. And it's like, for you to make 10K on a 10K personal account, you need 100% your account, which is pretty risky, and it's gonna take a while if you're like disciplined and take it slow. But you could definitely do that with like 5 prop firm accounts, you know. So it's like a risk to reward ratio when you're like thinking of like a business perspective. That's why it's cheaper to get in. Yeah, base hits a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Moving anytime? No, I don't think so. Malik, probably like MyFundedFutures and TakeProfitTrader. They've been around a while and never had a payout issue with them. But be careful with the TakeProfitTrader on the funded. They are trailing drawdown. Yeah, yeah, Jasmine. I hope to go live like very consistently for y'all. Yeah, there is some streamers that like trade like a massive size, which I mean, if it works for them, it works for them. But we're just taking it slow. We're barely green on the day. 2 small wins and a loss. Basically break even. Yeah, honestly, having another income is like with trading is like helps so much. It's a lot less stressful. Futures desk, I haven't tried them yet. Miguel, if I like the setup and it's going to like I'm playing off like ranges and it's going to my levels and stuff and it's like a good RR, like if I'm risking 10 points to make 20, 30 points, you know, looks good, yeah, I'll take the trade. No, I got stopped out my long. I took a long right here. Literally got stopped out on this candle. I took a long right here, my last trade. Got stopped out, and then it's like running right here. Yeah, but price action was very, very tricky today. Very, very tricky. Hey, what's up, Moon Trading? Hey, I went to France last year, 2025. That was very fun. France is awesome. It was very nice. Okay, thank you, 444. Yeah, that's why I want to start the new year strong. Live stream every day or something, consistently. And, like, yeah, trade with y'all. Thank you, Miguel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great 2026 as well. Stay blessed. Damn, we were right on this last trade. The last trade, first 2 trades, we were right on the thing, looking for shorts. Took a long right here. We were right. Just got stopped out. Came down hard, stopped us out. And then now it's running in our favor. Yep. Yeah, I got a little Irish in me. People don't believe that, but I got a little Irish in me. And I think that's why it's like a little orange and stuff. Yeah, I posted the vlog in Italy, but I didn't really post it for the France one, unfortunately. But the food in France is delicious. It's amazing. It's freaking nice. Yeah, the chop. Look, we're ticking long right here. Breakout long. Break above this level. Stopped out, unfortunately. It's all good. It's part of trading. No supply and demand, no. I'm like an eighth Irish. It's not a much. Like maybe a quarter eighth. I'm half Filipino, quarter white, quarter Puerto Rican. Kinda. I'm like really mixed. My family's really mixed. But people like surprised. They see me like, he's Asian. He's got a beard. The beard is orange. What's going on here, you know? But it's weird. My hair is brown, but then yeah, my beard and stuff, they get like orange and stuff. I don't know. Brandy, nice. Yeah, some people decided to take their payouts in 2026. So like, they earn them in 2025, and they just wait to take the payouts in like 2026. So it like offsets the taxes or something or whatever. I'm not a tax person. I don't know. probably trade to 11 for you guys, and then like call it there. I think that's a good first day for y'all. Yeah, like what was that, over an hour and a half? Yeah, we'll trade to 11 a.m. PST, like 11 more minutes. My setup, I'm just waiting right now. It's not really doing much. It's kind of just in this middle of this range right now. It's back. Price is now back in this little range right here. Right now I'm with TakeProfitTrader. We got like 550K challenges. These are challenges, not funded. They're brand new. Start the new year. Try to get some funded. Alright, looks like, dude, price action is so weird today, honestly. Josh, it's like breaking retests, like breaking levels and retesting it back up. Bounce plays, continuation with just like the trend. Stuff like that. Breakouts if there's volume, but breakouts mainly like in the early morning sessions because there's more volume. Like right now, it's hard to do a breakout. It's just too slow. Yeah, I want to find a consistent time for you guys. Today I kind of just like a random time. I think 9:30 or so a.m. No, before that, like a little after 9. Gold. Yeah, I haven't traded gold at all, like ever. I want to try it. I never traded gold. People say it's like NQ and stuff. Like, it's crazy. Damien, you trade gold? I've only traded NQ, really, honestly. But the price action has been pretty tricky lately. Yeah, I heard Lucid payouts are like very, very quick. Like very fast. Which is great. That's what you want. You don't want to be waiting days and hours and like thinking like, oh, are they get denied or whatever. Yeah, that's what I heard. Like gold's like NQ on crack or something. It's like on steroids. Y44, I hear you, man. I've touched stuff before and I'm like, hell no, never again. Yeah, it's just so slow right now, honestly, guys. I'm not going to force anything right now. Yeah, a lot of people are NQES or like metals and stuff. Yeah, the wicks were pretty bad on NQ recently. Like, it was like Wick City this morning. Kind of got wicked out right here. Kinda. Not really. I don't know. But sometimes it's so annoying when it wicks you. And then it stops you out. And then it literally runs in your favor. And you're just like, damn. Damn. Yeah, look. It's so slow. Yeah, guys, probably gonna call it soon. Honestly, I think this is a great first stream. I really appreciate everyone for joining. This is my first stream ever, like live stream. Price is moving so slow. We took 2 shorts right here. Nice 2 shorts right here. Boom, small wins, nothing crazy. Just playing out this little range. Took a long right here, got stopped out, and then ran in our favor. It's all good. So we're up 60 bucks on the day. Nothing, basically break even. We're working on these 5 challenges right now. Really appreciate everyone for joining. I'm going to do more live streams daily, hopefully Monday through Friday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure what time. I'm going to find a set schedule yet, but I'll go live again tomorrow for you guys. This is actually really nice. I really like going live for y'all. So, appreciate everyone for joining. This is a great first stream. Nice chatting to everyone. Start the new year right. 2026 is going to be a great year for all of us. And yeah, so see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for joining. Stay blessed. Have a great rest of your day. Gonna hit the gym right now. And yeah, so appreciate y'all. Thank you for joining. I'll see you guys tomorrow.